Hello, today I will be teaching you the notations and movements on a cube. I will be showing you this for a 3x3 and a 2x2. So let's get started with this video. Number one thing I need to tell you is that Jaden did make a video on how to solve a 2x2. If you do not know how to solve a 2x2, go see that, and that will be in our channel. So we'll get right into it. The first thing you need to do is look at your cube. This is for the 2x2. Actually, I'll be showing you this on a 3x3 because this is going to be much easier on a 3x3. So on a 3x3, when you're learning how to solve one, people will be telling you, well, you need to move an edge piece over here. And you may be like, what's an edge piece? An edge piece is a piece that only goes to other edges of the cube. No matter how you turn it, that edge piece will not be a corner, so it won't be over here, and it won't be over in the middle. The next piece is a corner piece, these pieces right here. These pieces only go in corners, and they will not be a middle piece or an edge piece ever. No matter how or where you turn it, it will always be an edge piece. This next piece, the last piece, is this middle piece or a base piece. This piece will never be an edge or a corner. Middle pieces are always opposite from another piece. So this middle piece is opposite of yellow because yellow looks like white. So on the other side, it's yellow. For red, what looks like red? Orange. So on the other side of red, there's orange. On the other side of blue, there's green, always. So, the next thing I want to show you are for algorithms. When someone says to turn R2, well, let me show you. Number one thing I want to show you is U. U means to turn the top layer, this one, clockwise. So, if you look at it this way, U go this way. That's clockwise. So, when somebody says U, that is it. U prime is counterclockwise. So, U prime would be that way. U2, so if there's a 2 at the end, then it means to just turn it all the way around. So it doesn't matter if it's U2 prime or U2 because it will always be the same thing. So as shown, I will do U2 and that will move it to the back. If I do R, that is clockwise and this is right. So that stands for right. U stands for up. So R would be right. So you move it upwards. R prime would be this way. L is left and that would be this way. L prime would be that way. L2 would be all the way around. D is down, so that's this one there, this there on the bottom here. And D would be this way, and D prime would be this way. D2 would just flip it around. Now, sometimes it will be this one, which is B. B is the back layer, so this one, which you would move, so, wait, number one. Actually, so there's also F, which stands for face. So that's this one. And that's really easy to remember because if it's clockwise, you can just turn it clockwise for you. And then if it's counterclockwise, you turn it that way. If it's F2, you just flip it over twice like that. And then there's back, which is the back face over here. This one is clockwise is that way and counterclockwise is that way. That is that. So now we're going to practice an algorithm together. I'll take this cube and I will scramble it up and we're going to practice an algorithm. Hold your cube, it doesn't matter. This won't solve it, I'm just showing you an algorithm. So let's say somebody says R2, F prime, D. So the first thing you would do is R2, so 1, 2, F prime, D. And that is that algorithm. An algorithm that you would use sometimes is on the 2x2 would be R, U, R prime, U, R, U, U, R prime. And now we have this. If you hold this yellow to your bottom left, you can do